Blessings everyone. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, and this is the behind the scenes of Elite Jamaica. Alright, so I'm not going to share so somebody send me to show my eye. So I'm going to try to show my eye. Alright. Yeah, so this is basically how I create videos. You guys know I use my phone. When I use one of them phone here to like do the research, come up with the idea. Sometimes it's just a simple Google search getting the ideas. You know. I go on Google search and type in like best Jamaican, and use best Jamaican food, best Jamaican hotel, best Jamaican, you know. So sometimes I just get the idea as to the video to create. After seeing the search result and say, well, Google have a question over the top, I say, alright, I'll do some research into this and see if we can put a video together. So after that, do the script, do the research, put the script together, send it to my friend. Blessings to my friend who helped me with the script, who make sure the script them well, timely and put together. Trust me, I do a good job. That person will show me anonymous, so I'm not calling the name. Yeah, so after doing that, when it do the nice way, when it nice up and thing, I send back to them. I send it to the email so as to have it on my laptop. Alright? Once it's on the laptop, I use Recforge. That's an app. I would recommend Recforge to anybody who have created narrated videos, or if you have to do any video where you have a record audio. Recforge is a very good audio recorder. Alright, so may come over here. I'm not going to show this up. Alright, so this is Recforge. It comes with apps. Record it. Yeah, this is Recforge, guys. This is the interface of Recforge. Very interactive interface. This now are the recording on screen, the script on screen on the laptop. So basically what I do, it would be like my ear nice. So normally my ear nice be section. I can't make here some pass. Yeah, you know? After the nice pass and gone, yeah. And I'm gonna be recording, it would be like, is Jamaica an African country? Or is Jamaica an African country? Is Jamaica an African country? Jamaica is neither or a CM way some record, guys. Make mistakes, trial and error. Jamaica is neither geographically or politically an African country. Jamaica is actually an independent country located in the Western Caribbean Sea and is considered part of the North American continent. The island's population as of 2018, according to the starting population estimates, stood at 2,726,667. Jamaica lies between 17.5 and 18.5 degrees north latitude and between 76 and 76 degrees west longitude, roughly about 90 miles south of Cuba and 712 miles southward of Florida. So, most of the time, majority of the times, the first entry would be just to ensure everything right with the audio recorder. When I listen back that, then I can know how the wind or my voice sound, if I have a little echo from the wall, which I never normally lucky to get echo, you know. Yeah, so after that is recorded, because Recforge, the version I use is a free version, I don't know how to get the other version. So what I do still, I send the audio to the next phone and then send it back to this, because we just beam it to it, and send it back to that. Once it's back to this, then we can go on the editor. Let me show you the editor, guys. So, you want to come closer again. Alright, so this is a Recforge. Still around, still a record everything on me I say. Made me put part of this in the video. If you don't want to put part of this in the video, well, come up, because this is the same video that I'm going to be creating, yeah? It's Jamaica, an African country. If you don't want to put part of this in it, let me know, alright? So after that, we go to the editor, and y'all know me use KineMaster, you know? So basically I'm going to show you with an example with the video I did yesterday. Come closer, Chucky. Guys, yeah man, and Chucky there, you know, man. So this is the flatbridge video I did yesterday. You know? You come over here, may go audio, add the audio, then get the clips, add the clips. One next video may show you details as to how I create the videos, but basically that happen. Export the video, upload it by way of the phone. But meanwhile it can upload by way of the phone, I can then in the background I put in the tags then, and I can up on the next phone and create the thumbnail for the video until it upload, because sometimes exporting and uploading are the longest process, which we notice the phone is to export quicker than it upload. No problem with that because it buffer the video them really good. Alright, so yeah, basically that's how I create videos, you know. And shout out to all of y'all. Really appreciate the support. Remember, I would really appreciate if you support my Patreon. Link gonna be on screen. If you wanna donate to the channel, PayPal link gonna be on screen. And remember guys, I've got a Gofundme set up to help get my eyes fixed. When my eye fixed, would really appreciate if you support that also. Alright, so yeah, what else? Back to work. Create the video so that you can get it done. Thanks for watching.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.